Green light's flashing, should be on.
Yeah. Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, the green light's flashing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, I'm gonna get stuck on this box. I'm fucking fat for this.
Try to push you down. You get down quicker.
Hold on, yo.
Is there someone in there?
Is anyone got a grenade? I can do it.
How far away are they though?
Oh, he's got a grenade, never mind.
No.
Too late out. Go, go.
Hit me up and I'll take it.
No,
I leave it in them.
That doorway.
Peek under.
Yeah. Barrels.
Yeah. Hit. Did I get it? Did I get it? I hit. Don't blow, don't blow. Don't blow, come through.
There's no walking.
Got you done, I think, mate.
They didn't, but well, I'll take it.
They're not.
No, just... Red coming down. Red?
Marshall here, Marshall here.
Red?
Dead man walking.
Red, red. Hit.
There's still one upstairs. We found the one upstairs.
Good, good, good. To the left, Matt. Great! That's me, red, 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 red. Oh, I got you, all right, sorry.
Oh, you shot me.
Yeah, oh, I'll take that then.
Oh, sweet.
Red. I'm gonna try and get into that doorway there.
Trying to get in.
No, I'm gonna go in into that one. Hold on. 'Cause there respawns around here, so. Fine kill.
Oh, nice.
Red, blue, blue, red, red.
Attention. 10 minutes remaining. 10 minutes remaining.
Hit it! So do you want to know where the bomb is downstairs yet?
Yeah, grocery.
Grocery? Alright,
These
cool.
stairs.
Alright.
Whether it's still running or not.
Alright.
Hit!
Hit it! Dead man. Dead man coming up. Dead.
Dead man! Dead man! Dead man! Fucking hell, I got lost.
Follow Babs, follow Babs. Where's he gone? Where'd he go? Straight.
I went that way straight, mate.
Hit! Hit!
Oh, they're good.
Blue, come in, blue! Blue!
Dead man coming through. Dead man coming through.
Punch, you good?
Follow him down, follow him down. On your six, perhaps.
Red.
Sorry, I'll take it.
Red.
I'll take it.
Is that Matt?
So, yeah, you throw a grenade as well.
Yeah, there you go.
I heard it bounce. There, is that it?
This is their spawn point here. To the left. Apparently the bomb's in a grocery store.
Grocery stores ahead.
Yeah.
That man.
Right.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, the grenade as well.
Post office. Where is the post office? That doorway.
Red team, you're both red, come in.
Red?
Red, he's red.
Red, yep.
Yeah. Red team. I think he's probably run back up.
Has he gone upstairs?
Like,
stairwell.
It's their sport.
Is it? Right. Alright. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man.
You got one blue in the building.
Okay.
Dead man. Dead. We're dead. We're dead, very dead. Run, house is dead.
Hit. Dead man. Dead man.
There's at least two of them on my doorway.
Hit. On your right. On your right, Matt. On your right.
And that guy's still front.
Yeah.
To jail. Dead man.
Oh, come in there again. You still in there? Hit. Dead man coming out. Dead.
This one. Alright, we're good. It's good.
Down here, there's, so as you get through, is it bakery?
Yeah.
The door on the right hand side, there's about 3 of them just sitting there.
On the right hand side. Alright, keep an eye on the HQ as well.
Yeah, fucking corners, man. Let me go past you. Honestly, I shot off BB. I was coming to see if you actually took your hit. My bad. I'm going back to fucking take the camera off.
Dead man, back to my grenade.
Hit!
Dead player on your left.
Dead player.
Yep.
Oh, fucking hello, babe.
Dead player.
Hit. Dead man up here.
Stand up because they're going to shoot you.
Right, up here anyway.
You've got a staircase there as well if you want to move. Just announce yourself.
Yeah, dead man coming through. Dead man coming through. Oh,
Dead man.
Dead man.
Walk in. Dead player coming through. Hit. Dead player. Dead player.
Go.
Oh, my arm killing.
Shot.
Yeah.
Dead man.
Great. Good. Oh.
I was waiting for that to go back.
Yeah. Hit. Bang. Oh, sorry. Sorry, mate. Sorry. No bang rule. Sorry. Hit. I got you, didn't I? Yeah, alright. Then are you down the corridor? On your six, perhaps? Hit. Dead man. What?
Right, it's done, you're good.
Oh, right.
That was done.
What the hell's he doing down there? That's Matt down there. Took me a while to... Hit.
One red right below metal stairs. Two red right below metal stairs.
Ah.
Come on, buddy.
Thanks. What?
Man thinks they're all stuck on the stairs.
Yeah, nice one trying to flank
So if
him.
you go through here and just start shooting up the stairs.
That's too much of an angle. From there, to that there. Yeah. There's still two there. Hit. Hey man. One in the doorway, one in here. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Hit.
Yeah. Ready. Ready.
No, he's ready, blue.
Fucking
Dead man, coming up.
Good shot.
Dead. Dead man.
Look under.
Red. In jail.
Left, one in front.
What else, red team? I don't know if you hit me. I know you shot.
I heard it hit you, to be fair.
Yeah, okay.
I hit.
I'll take that.
I'll take it.
Someone had it,
I
so
think
I'll take
I heard
that.
it hit you, code, yeah.
Watch that angle there.
Red. Yo, you might want to watch behind you in that window.
Ricochet.
Clear to course. Safe. Nice shot. Hey! That's a foot, yeah, that's right. Got Reg in the post office. Reg in the post office.
Dead man coming out.
Nice.
4 minutes remaining.
Red, it's me, I'll take it. Red. Your dad's down here, having a nap. Red.
Dead man.
Ricochet.
Right around the corner of that. Nice.
Hit. Dead man cross it. Dead man stairs.
Got it, was it? Alright. Dead man.
Dead man.
Is there a wall right there? Or is it just going?
I think it goes round, I think.
Dead man walking.
Hey, press up.
I'm going low. Red? No.
Oh, I got your gun there, mate.
I'll move into this wall to get that angle. Hold on. Hit.
Oh, yeah, good shot. Good.
Hit. Ah, you fucker.
Good shot, buddy.
Dead man. I don't get ya. Alright.
Got you, Jack, got you.
Left man. Good try, buddy. Step player.
I'm dead, yeah. I'm dead.
Hey.
Craig's already almost done. Hit. Yeah, good job. One of you has to get
Yeah, I know. I'm lucky you made a run for it.
Are you ready?
Red. Oh, sorry, I'll take it. Sorry. Yeah, I got ya. Then oh no.
Are you on phone?
No.
Are you saying no?
No armband.
Well, I think that's all belongs to this.
I've just come from there.
Red hole. Say it again.
Right, Milka. Here. Medic. We're all Brad to Milka anyway. Brad to Milka.
Brad to Milka. Brad to Milka. Oh my god.
Brad to Milka. Where's the rest of them? Soggy.
Try to